Schoology, and I'll ask you to refer back to this video so you can see what I'm talking about, but this is what it's going to look like. You're going to go to this website, which I'll post. You don't have to look at the crazy URL at the top here. I will post this, and you will go down here just a little bit, and you will see this little box here. Now, I had to figure this out the first time I did it, and because we pay school and county taxes separately in New York, you might realize that as a homeowner, some of you might know that in January you pay your municipal taxes, and in September you pay your school taxes in New York. So really there's two bills that go together in your escrow. And how we calculate that is, if I was going to type in a city that had both the same name as the school district, for example, Troy is near where we live here. If I were to search Troy, it would come up with both the Troy school district taxes of $21.18 per thousand, and also the town and the city taxes of Troy, $11.50. So you would add that together. However, if you were in a town that differs in name from the school district, like the first one that comes to mind here is Clifton Park. If I were to search Clifton Park, it would give me this tiny little portion of town taxes here. But then I would also need to search if that house was in the Shenendehowa School District. Then you would add it to that 61 cents that we had for Clifton Park. So depending on whether the town and school district have the same name, you would have to search it twice. Otherwise, it would come up at the same time if it had the same name. So the assignment is going to be, because we have such a wide range of locations by participants, many are in the capital region, but not necessarily near each other. And then we have people from Long Island and up north, and a little bit in the Mohawk Valley involved. So I think it would be very useful if we could expand and use all of our information. So that'll be somewhat what the assignment is this week. It'll be explained in much more detail on Schoology, and I'll have the spreadsheet and everything you need there, but this is the website you'll use, and that's how you'll use it there. And as Aaron mentioned, if you have any questions, concerns, any issues with the files, just email us and let us know. It is February vacation starting right now for us in this area. If it is for you too, have a great break. If it's not, I'm sure you'll have a different break, so we'll be off by a little bit. But we are out of school all next week, so this will be due in 2 weeks.